Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Clarissa Zapata. I am 33 years old, Filipino, and my religion is Christian. I am happily married with 2 children. I have one brother and 1 sister, and I am the eldest in the family, and I am a high school graduate. I have a working experience before in Jordan, Lebanon, and here in the Philippines. My duties are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing and cooking. I can cook 3 simple Arabic dishes like wara anab, malfuf, and kabsa. I am very willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and learn how to speak Mandarin. I love taking care of children. I will play with them, take them bath every day, give them medicine and vitamins as prescribed by doctor. I will prepare them healthy food on time, send them and fetch them to school, and change their clothes when needed. I will also play with them, be patient, and love them as my own children. To my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, please hire me. And if you hire me, I promise to be responsible, hardworking, and honest household worker to your family. I will also promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.